If tax season makes you spiral, avoid your inbox, and promise yourself next year will be different, this is the video that changes that. Because calm tax seasons are not about being good with numbers. They are about having a plan. And today I'm giving you one. And really quickly, if you've been following this series, you already know this isn't about you being irresponsible. It's about not having a system. Today, we install the system. Here's what most creative business owners do. They try to fix everything at the same time. Bank accounts, Stripe, PayPal, QuickBooks, receipts, emails from their accountant. It feels like standing in the middle of a tornado holding paperwork. The problem isn't intelligence. The problem is organization. So let me simplify this permanently. There are only 3 phases, and they happen in order. 1, 2, 3. Step 1, gather. Not organize, not categorize, not perfect everything, also recovering perfectionist, gather. Where does your information live? Income documents, expense receipts, bank and credit card statements, anything your accountant might request. 1 home. No decisions, no overthinking. Containment, not perfection. Gotta say it twice. That's it. Step 2, review. This is the step that most people skip, and it's why tax season feels scary and completely unapproachable. Review means what's missing, what looks weird, do the totals even make sense? Do I have questions before someone else finds them? This is where confidence gets built. Because instead of thinking, I hope this is fine, you're thinking, okay, I see what's happening here. And when you can see your numbers, they stop feeling like little monsters. Step 3 is prepare. Only after you've gathered and reviewed do you prepare. Upload. Respond. Hit deadlines calmly. Most tax chaos happens because people try to prepare before they've gathered or reviewed. That's like trying to cook dinner while you're still grocery shopping. Of course it feels stressful. Quick pause. If this framework alone just made you exhale, go watch my free tax season workshop linked below. I will walk you through exactly how to gather, review, and prepare every single step within those steps so you'll never be surprised by taxes again. Watch it, then come back and plug into the system. Now, here's the identity shift. You did not build a creative business just to be undone by spreadsheets every March. You deserve clean books, clear numbers, no surprise bills, no shame spirals, no last minute scrambling. Calm is not accidental, it's built. And this entire series has been leading to one question. Okay, Madison, but how do I actually implement this? That's why I built the Tax Season Command Center, because I was tired of watching brilliant women promise themselves every April that next year would be different. Inside this Notion dashboard, your due dates are mapped out. Your tasks are already sequenced in gather, review, prepare, order. And just in case you don't know how to actually do that task, I have added plenty of instructions on how to execute every single task that you need to do for tax season. There are designated upload spots for documents, clear task statuses. Nothing lives in your head. It is specifically built for creative online business owners, ADHD-friendly brains, people who want clarity without accounting jargon. It's not theory, it's execution. And it's $77, which honestly is less than creatives overpay in taxes because things were disorganized. If this series resonated with you, this is your next step. The link is below, and you have 2 options. Option 1, repeat the cycle, avoid, scramble, panic, recover, repeat. Option 2, install the system once, reuse it every single year. The creatives who build sustainable businesses aren't better with numbers. They just stopped doing tax season alone. Go grab the Tax Season Command Center Notion dashboard, watch the free workshop, and if you missed the earlier videos in the series, go back and watch them in order. All of the information is here for you, free 99. You don't need to be perfect, you just need a plan, and you deserve one that protects your creative energy.